Hi, my name is Steven, and this is what it's like working in sales here at Xometry. Well, mostly I'm a problem solver and a consultant. I spend most of my time working with customers, whether they be engineers or buyers, on their projects. I'm learning about what they're trying to accomplish and what their possible challenges may be, and how Xometry can be a solution for those. At Xometry, I work with a lot of fabulous people. For the most part, internally, I'm working with a lot of our engineering team. Whether it's the team who builds the quotes, the team who manually quotes quotes, or the team who's giving a lot of DFM feedback to our customers, our internal engineering team is definitely the group I work with the most. Our sales team is like a strategic partner for our manufacturing customer. So we basically are that first line of contact with the customer. They come to us with a problem, and we are the ones who address that. Our day-to-day is really focused more on talking to customers, reviewing their projects. We as a sales team are structured to be somewhat of a consultancy for our customers. So the main tool for Xometry is our instant pricing tool. So a customer goes on, they upload parts, and our instant pricing AI engine will give them the best options to produce those parts. We as a sales team really add that human touch. So whether there's technical questions, whether there's questions about adjusting price or lead times, whether there's issues that arise, we're the ones who really support that. Whether it is a 2-3 piece prototype or a 10,000 piece production part, we are basically here to service our customers across the board. And that really keeps it exciting. And one of the greatest things about working here and working on these kinds of projects is every day is different. So you never know whether you'll be working on something really small or something really huge. But to the customer you're working with, they're all extremely important, and that means a lot to us. Customers love working most with Xometry because we're really disrupting the way things have historically been done in manufacturing. For the longest time, customers were really limited to the geographic machine shops that are in their region. However, Xometry has given them access to thousands of manufacturing suppliers all across the world. What this does is it gives them more options when it comes to pricing, lead time, and just general availability of materials. Make sure to follow us on LinkedIn to learn more about how we continue to disrupt the manufacturing industry.